Hello and welcome to our YouTube video on the history of dogs. Today, we'll be taking a journey back in time to explore the fascinating origins and evolution of our furry, four-legged companions. From their humble beginnings as wild wolves to their current status as beloved family pets, we'll be covering it all. Join us as we uncover the incredible stories of loyalty, bravery, and companionship that have made dogs such an integral part of human history. So, get ready to learn something new and discover the incredible history of our canine friends. Let's get started. Dogs are one of the oldest domesticated animals in the world, with a history that spans thousands of years. The relationship between dogs and humans is a unique one, with dogs serving as companions, protectors, and even workers. The history of dogs is a fascinating one, filled with tales of loyalty, bravery, and even mystery. In this article, we will explore the history of dogs from their origins to the present day. Origins of dogs. The exact origins of dogs are not clear, but most experts agree that dogs are descended from wolves. This theory is based on genetic and archaeological evidence that suggests that dogs and wolves share a common ancestor. It is believed that wolves first began to interact with humans over 15,000 years ago, when they were attracted to human settlements by the food scraps left behind. Over time, wolves became more comfortable around humans and began to form close relationships with them. The domestication of dogs likely began when humans began to actively select for certain traits in the wolves that they were interacting with. Dogs were likely bred for specific purposes, such as hunting, herding, and guarding. This process of selective breeding led to the development of different dog breeds with distinct physical and behavioral characteristics. Early history of dogs. The earliest evidence of dogs dates back to the Paleolithic era, around 30,000 years ago. Cave paintings from this time period depict dogs hunting alongside humans. The dogs in these paintings resemble modern-day wolves, suggesting that they were not yet fully domesticated. The ancient Egyptians were also known to keep dogs as pets and to use them for hunting and guarding. The pharaohs often depicted dogs in their art and believed that they were powerful and protective animals. The ancient Greeks and Romans also valued dogs for their hunting abilities and often kept them as pets. During the Middle Ages, dogs were used for a variety of purposes. They were used for hunting, herding, guarding, and even as weapons. Some dog breeds, such as the Mastiff, were bred specifically for their strength and size, making them formidable protectors. Other breeds, such as the Greyhound, were bred for their speed and agility, making them ideal for hunting. The Renaissance and beyond. During the Renaissance, dogs became more than just working animals. They were also kept as pets and were often depicted in art and literature. Some dog breeds, such as the Poodle, were even bred specifically for their appearance rather than their working abilities. In the 19th century, dog breeding became a popular hobby among the wealthy. Dog shows began to be held, and different breeds were judged based on their appearance and conformity to breed standards. This led to the development of many new dog breeds, including the Boxer, the Dalmatian, and the Bulldog. The 20th century saw the rise of dog training and obedience competitions. Dogs were trained to perform a variety of tasks, from herding to search and rescue. The first guide dogs for the blind were also trained during this time period, marking a significant breakthrough in the use of dogs as service animals. Today, dogs are more popular than ever before. They continue to serve as companions, protectors, and workers, and are beloved by millions of people around the world. Dog breeding and training have become highly specialized fields, and there are now over 300 different dog breeds recognized by the American Kennel Club alone. Dogs have played a role in politics throughout history. In many countries, political leaders and public figures have owned dogs as pets, and in some cases, dogs have even been used as political symbols. One famous example of dogs in politics is Franklin D. Roosevelt's Scottish Terrier, Fala. Fala was a beloved companion to the president and accompanied him on many official trips, including one to the Aleutian Islands during World War II. Fala became a symbol of American resilience and was even featured in a campaign speech by Roosevelt in 1944. In more recent times, dogs have been used in political campaigns as well. During the 2008 US presidential election, Barack Obama's family dog, Bo, became a popular symbol of the candidate's family values and love for animals. Bo was even featured on campaign merchandise and was often seen on the campaign trail with Obama and his family. In some countries, dogs have been used as symbols of national identity. For example, the Dalmatian is the national dog of Croatia, while the Basenji is the national dog of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. In these cases, dogs are seen as representing the culture and history of the country, and are often celebrated in art and literature. Despite their role in politics, dogs are ultimately just animals, and their place in politics is a reflection of our own relationship with them. Whether as pets, symbols, or companions, dogs continue to play an important role in our lives and in our politics. Here are some 5 fun facts about dogs. Fun fact 1. Dogs have been domesticated for over 15,000 years, making them one of the oldest domesticated animals in the world. Fun fact 2. The tallest dog on record was a Great Dane named Zeus, who measured 44 inches tall at the shoulder. Fun fact 3. The oldest dog on record was an Australian cattle dog named Bluey, who lived to be 29 years and 5 months old. Fun fact 4. The world's smallest dog breed is the Chihuahua, which can weigh as little as 2 pounds. Fun fact 5. Dogs have a sense of smell that is 100,000 times more powerful than humans, and they can use this ability to detect everything from drugs and explosives to cancer and low blood sugar. These are just a few of the many fun and fascinating facts about dogs. With their incredible intelligence, loyalty, and unique personalities, it's no wonder that dogs are such beloved companions to millions of people around the world. Conclusion. The history of dogs is a rich and fascinating one, filled with tales of loyalty, bravery, and companionship. From their origins as wolves to their current role as beloved family pets, dogs have played an important role in human history. Whether they are working dogs or companion animals, dogs continue to inspire us with their intelligence, loyalty, and unwavering devotion. And that's a wrap for our video on the history of dogs. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible journey that dogs have taken alongside humans throughout history. From their early beginnings as hunters and protectors to their current roles as service animals and beloved companions, dogs have truly earned their place in our hearts and homes. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating videos on a wide range of topics. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.
Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for new updates.